Guys, there is a bird here. It's having a long tail, white one, and so noisy. But I don't know what is the name of this one up of the basketball court here, the net. Can you see up there? It is the one that is so noisy. Look, this is the one. I don't know what is the name of this bird, guys. It's my first time, actually. Look. Look, guys. It's my first time. Oh, I feel happy to see this one, guys. What is this kind of bird? I'm so lucky. It has like a crown up. Look, guys. Look. Look at the feeder. So long. Oh, look. Oh, but it's not facing to me. But really, it's big and long. This basketball. That is the entrance. I just finished my teaching, so I just happened to pass by and seen the bird. So right now, I'm walking here in the street of Fuat Morel, Mersin, Yenisehir, guys. So I'm going to the main road to get the bus nearby. Still, you can hear the sound of the birds here echoing the whole street, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.